CT Service here. We're going to go through the process of a hydraulic fan test. To do this fan test, we are going to start at the front left corner of the machine and locate our fan hydraulic block as you see in front of you. To start, we need to unplug the fan reversing and speed coil. So as such, we'll reach through and we'll unplug both coils. Now we'll go up top and install our flow meter and pressure gauge into the fan manifold. Now that we are up on top of the machine, we can locate our pressure port for our hydraulic fan manifold. We will then install a flow meter. We will want to see around 15 gallon a minute flow, and we also want a pressure gauge, and we should see about 2800 psi, and this will be at 2000 RPM. So now we will go in, start the machine, run it up to 2000 RPM, and check for flow and pressure. Now that we are in the machine, now we will start it and rev it up to 2000 RPM. You will notice that your fan will then go to full speed. We want to see around 15 gallon per minute on the flow meter and around 2800 psi on our pressure gauge. After we have verified that, we can then slow our machine back down and shut it off. After we've shut off our machine, then we can reinstall the supply line to our fan manifold, go back underneath and install our plugs to our reversing coil and speed coil. Make sure to clean up any oil spills, and now you have successfully completed your fan manifold test.